Hi, I am Pranav. In the previous class, we have discussed about tissue system and function. Today, we are going to learn about tissue system and function. Explain one by one. I will explain one by one. What are the? Yesterday I explained three kinds of the tissue system present. What are the? Anyone tell me? Three types only. The classification given in SATs. SAT 1875. First one, dermal or epidermal tissue system. Second one, ground tissue system. Finally, vascular tissue system. See, first one, dermal or epidermal tissue system. I will explain one by one. Dermal or epidermal tissue system consisting what are the parts that present in epidermis, stomata, epidermal, outgrowth. See, dermal or epidermal tissue system, what are the consisting part means the three consisting part present. First one epidermis, second one stomata, third one epidermal growth. This epidermis is composed in single layer of the cell or outermost layer of the cell. This is outermost layer of the cell. Outermost layer of the cell, and it has stomata. It has many pores. Many pores that present in epidermis. That porous-like structure is called stomata. This porous-like structure is called stomata. And this epidermis layer may be present in cuticle. That cuticle present means that time water evaporation will last. Water evaporation will last. And then outgrowth. Epidermal outgrowth. Why it is called epidermal outgrowth means because of outgrowth will produced from epidermis. The outer surface of the epidermis will produce in some external structure, or out of the body will produce in some external structure. That structure is called epidermal outgrowth. Here, there are two things present. First one, hair. Maybe you know the root itself present in this hair means that is called root hair. Otherwise, some stem itself present in this hair, that is epidermal hair. That is epidermal hair. And then trichomes. Trichomes. Very simple. Dermal or epidermal tissue system. This is consisting parts epidermis, stomata, epidermal outgrowth. Epidermis outermost layer of the cell. Maybe this cell present in single layer or multi-layer. Maximum present in single layer only. And then stomata. Stomata where present means the stomata take place only the leaves. Leaves in lower epidermis present in this stomata. That stomata the present in porous-like structure. Porous-like structure the present that structure is called stomata. And then finally epidermal outgrowth. This epidermal outgrowth the present in the outer cell body or outer surface of the cell. There will be produced in hair and trichomes. Maybe this epidermis is contained in cuticle layer, means that cuticle layer will check water evaporation. Water evaporation will lose or control. And then I will draw the diagram. You have to understand that epidermis. See, this is stomata. This is epidermis. This one cuticle. This is the cuticle. You have to understand the purpose. I have this diagram. And second one, ground tissue system. This ground tissue system include all the parts of the body. All the parts of the body except vascular bundle and epidermis or dermal or epidermal. Ground tissue system means include all the parts of the body except vascular bundle and dermal or epidermal. Other than remaining parts of the body is considered in ground tissue system. Before that I explained ground tissue system that present in three kinds of the cell will composed. What are the kinds of the cells? May be present in parenchyma or parenchyma or sclerenchyma, and depend upon that cell will involve in some different functions or will specific functions that involved. And finally, vascular tissue system. Vascular tissue system means very simple. Vascular tissue system, their component. What are the components that present are consisting parts in xylem and phloem only. Xylem and phloem. There are two things only that are present. This xylem and phloem, that joined together will be formed in one bundle-like structure in the cell. That bundle is called a vascular bundle. So, what kind of the cells that are present in the vascular tissue system means only the present in the two kinds. What are that? Xylem and phloem. Vascular tissue system present in xylem and phloem. See, this xylem and phloem, the two cells that are involved in different kinds of the functions. What are the functions? The first xylem is main responsibility of the water conducting element for plant. Chief water conducting element. And phloem, the transport of food material from one place to various parts of the body. This xylem and phloem is not an individual cell. These cells that present in kinds of the cells, they will be composed. That's a compound tissues. Already you studied compound tissues. Compound tissues means will be joined in some number of member cells. What are that? Xylem cells that include in xylem vessel, xylem trachea, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber. And phloem cells that present in seal tube, and then companion cells phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma. Each cells that consist in 4 kinds of the cells will be joined together will perform in single functions. And then this arrangement of the xylem and phloem, on the basis of this arrangement, the vascular tissue system is classified in 3 types. What are the types? The first one, radial. And second one, conjoint. Third one, concentric. See, this vascular tissue system is composed in xylem and phloem only. These 2 kinds of the cells will join together, will be formed in bundle-like structure. That bundle is called in vascular bundle. And the position of the xylem and phloem are classified in 3 kinds of the vascular bundle. First one, radial, second one, conjoint, and then concentric. Radial means nothing but very simple. The alternatively present in xylem and phloem. How present the xylem and phloem means? Alternatively. Alternative means what? Any one person is not doing that work means what? Hard in another one person. That person will do that work. Like that. In case here present in xylem means next one to present in phloem, and next xylem, and next phloem. Like that, alternatively present in the xylem and phloem. This is called in radial. That radial cells that present in them alternatively present xylem and phloem some radius. Radius also already studied in the mathematics. They are some part of the circle. What you take the one circle, I will draw the diagram in vascular bundle types diagram. I will draw first in radial. Vascular tissue system is present in xylem and phloem joined together will be formed in one bundle-like structure, that is vascular bundle you know. See, here the presence of the xylem and phloem in vascular bundle on the basis of the position here classified in 3 categories or 3 types of vascular bundle. First one, radial, second one, conjoint, and third one, concentric. Radial vascular bundle means here present in xylem and phloem alternatively with each other. That means here the present in xylem means next one to present in phloem, and next to xylem, again phloem, and xylem and phloem. Like that will join together, will be formed in one bundle-like structure. That bundle is vascular bundle. Which one means radial vascular bundle. These kinds of the radial vascular bundle only present in root. And second one, conjoint vascular bundle. Conjoint vascular bundle that present in xylem and phloem same radius that present in xylem and phloem. But this conjoint also they classified in the 2 types, collateral, bicollateral. This collateral is again classified in 2 types, open and closed. So conjoint collateral open condition vascular bundle, conjoint collateral closed conditions vascular bundle, like that present. That means what? The open condition means they are present in xylem, phloem in side by side. But xylem and phloem in between the present in cambium means that is called in open. In case that vascular bundle in between the cambium is absent means that is called closed vascular bundle. See, I will draw the diagram only. Very simple. Collateral open type vascular bundle, collateral closed type vascular bundle. Very simple. This is the vascular bundle. See, here present in side by side in xylem and phloem. Here we are good. This is the phloem and this one xylem. present in side by side. At the same time, in between the xylem and phloem, in between the present in one red layer. This layer is called in cambium. This cambium present the vascular bundle means that is called in open. In case that is not present, just remember this. This not present means continuously the present in xylem and phloem means that is called closed vascular bundle. This open type of the vascular bundle only present in dicot stem. Closed conditions of the vascular bundle present in monocot stem. The bicollateral also the same thing. Here the presence of the cambium in them side by side. But this bi means what? Bi means two. Bi means what? Two. So here want to present in the two region in cambium. Here want to present. Here want to present in the cambium. And then in between, you want to present in cambium. You are not present in xylem, only want to present in phloem. So both sides want to present in the phloem cell, in middle the present in xylem, but the xylem and phloem in between the present in cambium. So the two sides present in the cambium layer means that is called in bicollateral vascular bundle. This bicollateral vascular bundle the present in good example for cucurbita. Good example for cucurbita. And then finally concentric. This also one type of the vascular bundle. Here this also have classified in the two types. On the basis of xylem surrounded to the phloem or phloem surrounded to the xylem. Here this one first one ambivessel and second one ambicrubble. Ambivessel means the xylem surrounded to the phloem. Very simple. You draw one circle in between want to present in the xylem and then other than surrounded to the phloem. Like that the present means that is called the ambivessel. The good example for the Dracaena and ambicrubble. This harmonant. Before that you are writing in the xylem surrounded to the phloem means you want to write phloem surrounded to the xylem. That is called in ambicrubble. That good example for in fronts. See, now the explained in vascular tissue system, three kinds of the vascular tissue system. Before that, you know, this vascular bundle tissue system, the present in the three types: radial, conjoint, concentric. Radial present in the root, conjoint having the two types: collateral, bicollateral. Collateral having the again two types: open and closed type. Bicollateral having them only one. The good example for in cucurbita. And concentric, the having two types: ambivessel, ambicrubble. Thank you.